name's Eddie. Welcome to my channel, and thank you for watching my first video. This channel is not going to be about any one specific subject. It's just going to be a general channel of my interests, hobbies, activities. So thanks for hanging out. Hope you come by again. Here's the video. So the radio units are installed in the truck already. These radios are microphone units. So all of the buttons and controls, they're in the mic, they're on the microphone themselves. You mount the mics where you want them, and then you hide the box away somewhere else. On this truck, where I mounted them, it's an easy access location, but they're still hidden away because the boxes are actually nice. They're sleek looking, they're slick. You kind of want to show them off, but I mean, they're designed to be hidden away. And it's a brand new truck, so I don't want to be drilling things onto my dash and just having them obtrusively located where it's not going to make the truck look brand new. So I still want the truck to look brand new. So I mounted these in a spot where I could hide the boxes away, but still access them really quick. Actually, anybody in the truck can access them really quick and be like, whoa, hey, what are these? We'll see if we can make it work where I got it picked out. Let's work our way over to the truck. All right, so here we are in the truck. Again, it's a 2023 F150 Powerboost. So it's the hybrid model. This truck does not have the assist backup knob, mainly because I don't need it. I'm pretty good backing up a trailer. That was not one of the necessities when picking out a new truck. And I'm glad that it didn't, because that is where I'm gonna mount the GMRS radio. And for the Cobra 75 all-road CB mic, it's gonna mount on the opposite side, or at least I'm gonna try and get it to mount on the opposite side. Right here is where I'm gonna mount, screw into with the provided screws. Now, yes, it covers the button for the supplementary glove compartment. I'm not sure exactly what this is called, but that's the original glove. This is an extra glove. It's just an extra storage compartment. So yeah, it will cover that button, but I could fit my finger back there, push it, and get it open. So I'm hoping that would work just fine. And again, I'm screwing into a piece that pops out. I'm not screwing into like the top of the dash. I'm not screwing into the nice fascia here. You know, it's a nice looking design, the way that they designed this look here. I could easily just put this right here, screw it there, call it a day. But I think it would just look, I don't know, it would just look janky. It wouldn't look right. It wouldn't look like it wouldn't look as if that's something that's supposed to be there. Where if it were here, I mean, clearly it's not, it's something that's not supposed to be there, but it just doesn't look as obtrusive as it would if it were right there. Plus, it would match where the mic over here is gonna go. So let's get this going. Moment of truth. Shoot. That couldn't look any more factory if it came from the factory. All right, now for the Cobra. Now let's see how she looks. Yeah, buddy. I don't like how it's higher than this one. I gotta be honest. That's it. That bugs me. It just bugs me. But that was the best place to put it, I think, in my opinion. Without mounting it to any of the nice fascia pieces here, this was the best way for me to mount it. So this is my setup. this is what it is. This is my setup. There's a lot of people out there with their own trucks, Jeeps, SUVs, cars, and you know they install radios in their vehicles. And the thing about the hobby is that, you know, everyone's always interested in what other people's setup looks like. And I wanted to make this video because I hadn't seen a video with a radio setup in their F150 hybrid. Anyway, this video is not about the operation of the radios. It's about installing a dual mic setup while keeping the new look of the truck. You know, some people some people like to install a full-size CB setup right here, and with the mic hanging off right here, and you know they think it looks, you know, that's their style. They like the way it looks. Hey, more power to them. You know, everyone has different tastes. For me, in particular, I don't like that kind of look. You know, there's a storage tray up here where you can keep things, and when I'm pulling our travel trailer, I like to have our TPMS monitor up here sitting there so I can see it. You know, so things like that I had to consider, you know, how I use the truck, where I place certain things when I'm doing various activities with the truck, and if mounting a radio or mounting a microphone in that spot would work. You know, and for me, I like having arm's reach access to my microphones, and right here is right about where I had it in my 2005 F150. So, you know, leap forward 18 model years here, you know, I had to consider in this brand new truck where I wanted to mount these radios. I wanted to keep my GMRS radio, and I wanted to add a CB, just for the versatility. And you know, I really wanted to keep the brand new look of the truck, the sleek look of the truck, and this was my best idea of where to mount them. So, you know, please comment. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll do this again sometime.